photo here. It's awesome.
So I guess, way back in the Civil War, they would come and get the iron ore from down here and then carry it up this bit of a hill here to the furnace. And this is the deep river. Beautiful. Like somebody's thrown a pallet, shipping pallet or something over there. Beautiful.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. So this is the top of the furnace.
To me, if I don't see anything else all day, it's totally. I mean, for me, it's totally fine because this right here is amazing.
I guess this is all the dirt and everything that they're taking out, and I guess they're going to rebuild it once they took it all to pieces. Go up a little further.
Responsibility right now for me to do this right. Because I have to walk on the beam just to get to here. But you can video me. That's true. Oh my God.
It's Jesus without his shirt on. I never got you walking across that. You got a railing right though to hold on to, right?
Come closer to here and good vantage point. I'll do it again. You know what I could even do? Oh my god. I can come back this way.
I'm not afraid of heights, I'm just afraid of falling.
Me too.
Huh?
Me too, definitely not a fan of falling. I have to be super concentrated on this because that's the key.
Super.
If you're not fully concentrated and looking at everything and thinking about all the things you can do, then you're not responsible to yourself. Being irresponsible. And then you're subject to a very large fine.
Very large what?
You're subject to a very large fine for trespassing. 6 months in prison.
I doubt it.
Endangering yourself with the cost of the taxpayer. The government could be losing money if you die because you won't pay for taxes. So it's very protective of the cattle. Dude, this is all.
And just to give you an idea of how high we are, there's the beam, and
I'm walking across this beam.
and there's the way down.
That would be irresponsible. But it would be cool to check out that corner back there.
What are you doing?
Now across here. If you were zoned in and your death was right next to you right here, I'm just saying, and somebody wasn't appreciating it.
I do appreciate what you're doing.
It happens all the time. It really does. I'm saying this is an opportunity for you to get some really cool footage of somebody you know who can do this, unlike most of your friends. Most people you know would be scared shitless to do any of this. And I'm pushing my limits and expanding them by the minute. And I could die doing this. Gotta figure out how I want to. Besides, I almost never do this barefoot. But I think barefoot is a good way to go because I can feel everything. I gotta be zoned in into one dimension. There happens to be nobody here. And you can learn how to be really good at filming this extreme stuff. Because I don't know how else you'd learn to do this by yourself. Do people watching the video, do they know how high it is? Can they actually see all the way down? This is what they would be looking at if they were walking this beam. They would look down there. Take a quick way out. Hey, jokes aside, I mean, I'm really not into killing myself.
You're really not into what?
I'm really not into killing myself.
I don't think any. Well, unless you're suicidal.
Yeah, I'm not.
A suicidal person would be.
I know, I'm not in the least suicidal, that's the whole point. So, really careful. But this thing right here is amazingly hard to find where I am at.
You are?
Something like this situation right here is amazing, and I don't think it's like this all the time. Like, it's not going to be like this forever, every day.
No, it's not going to go like this forever.
Some days there's people working here. It's just...
It's an opportunity, isn't it?
Well, I'm curious to see what kind of footage you got with me climbing. But I honestly think...
Well...
Hey, we didn't break anything. We didn't hurt the purpose. I'm trying to save it.
The scaffolding's kind of rickety.
I want to save the scaffolding. furnace can go. I just want to save the scaffolding. The scaffolding is fine.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the tour of the furnace and the climbing apparatus. And that's it for this one.